In this video, I will show you how to add and edit footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So here I am in Microsoft Word working on a masterpiece essay here, but I would like to add a footnote to some of this information in this document. How could I do that? Step one would be to place the cursor in the exact location where I'd like the footnote number or endnote number to appear. So in this case, I would like to elaborate on this band here, Leodoris, kind of a lesser known band. So with the cursor exactly where I want it to be, I can just go up here to the References tab and click Insert Footnote. You can see immediately I'm taken to the bottom of the current page that I'm working on, and my cursor has moved down there, and I'm ready to just type the note that I want attached to the number. Okay, there's my note. And if we go back up here to my paragraph, you can see that I have a superscript number there that corresponds to my footnote. Let's add another footnote, but this time I'm going to show you a different, faster way to add footnotes. I'm going to browse down the document partway, and I'll click where I want to insert my next footnote. But this time, instead of going to References and clicking Insert Footnote, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut. This enables me to keep my hands on the keyboard, typing in my document without using the mouse. So the keyboard shortcut for adding a footnote is Alt, Control. So hold Alt, hold Control, tap F, and notice what happened. I got the same results. I got a superscript number added into my document. And in the footnotes, I have now two numbers, number 1, number 2, and I'm ready to type in the note. So we've looked at two different ways to add footnotes into Microsoft Word. What about endnotes? As you probably know, endnotes are different than footnotes in that they show up not at the bottom of the page, but at the very end of the entire document. So if I want to add an endnote, it's pretty similar to adding footnotes. You still click where you want the endnote to be numbered in your document, and you can go up to the References tab, but instead of clicking Insert Footnote, click Insert Endnote. Notice that there is a keyboard shortcut for it, Alt-Control-D, and that's what I'm going to use in this case, Alt-Control-D. It takes me down not to the bottom of the page, but the bottom of the entire document, and I'm ready to type. Something like this, and that worked great, but let's zoom in on it a little bit so you can get a better look at this important message, and also so that you can see the difference in the look of an endnote versus a footnote. Notice that in the body of my document, when you get to the endnote, it's not numbered 1, 2, 3, etc. Instead, we've got the letter I. And if we add another endnote, you can see we get two I's. So it's more like Roman numerals than it is typical numbers. And the same is true here at the bottom of the document. You can see the corresponding notes are numbered using Roman numerals. Now, of course, you may be thinking, well, I could have just typed this myself. I could have gone to the bottom of the document or the page and typed in this note, and that's certainly true. And you can insert superscript and subscript, numbers and letters in Microsoft Word without using footnotes and endnotes, and that's true. But I think this makes it so much easier to use official footnotes and endnotes in the way in which I've shown you. Now, as you're working with your document and your footnotes and endnotes, what if you decide you want to edit your footnotes? Well, that's pretty simple. All you would need to do is click on the footnote or endnote in your document, and it automatically takes you to the note itself, and then just go ahead and edit it. And you can obviously use the same tools that we use for our regular text in Microsoft Word. You can use those same tools to format the text, change its color, make it bold, whatever you'd like to do. You can even go here to the Home tab and get all of the tools that you're used to seeing. Of course, you can add more detail to your notes, and it's also possible just to delete a note. If I want to delete this first note, what I would do is I would go up to the body of my document, find the number for that note, and I'll just click and use backspace, tapping it once to select the number, and then tapping it again to delete the number. Now let's look down at the bottom of this page. Notice that the corresponding note has disappeared, and the note that was left has been renumbered as the first footnote for this page. So in this video, I've shown you a couple of different methods for adding footnotes into your Word documents, also endnotes. Oftentimes, those keyboard shortcuts are going to be your best, fastest way to add these important notes. Using footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word is a great way to enhance the readability and credibility of your documents. They are a fantastic way to add additional information, citations, explanations, and other information right into your document. If you are curious about the bands and the music that I mentioned in this video, feel free to check out this website. It's a real website. Also, the Synth Pop Reviews channel. Would love to have you check that out. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video about Microsoft Word, footnotes, and endnotes. If you found the video to be helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do that by clicking the thanks button below the video. You can also support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video.